Dear viewers, our U.S. citizenship interview is not just about 100 civics questions, English reading or writing test, or the vocabulary from your N-400 application. The moral character test is now more important than ever under the new USCIS policy. Officers can ask moral questions in many parts of your interview, and one wrong answer could cost you. That's why, in this mock interview, we've included lots of moral character questions throughout the process, so you can be fully prepared. Watch carefully from start to finish because every section matters. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Marco Silva.
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon. I'm Officer Grace, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. It's a pleasure to meet you. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Please follow me. Place your belongings on the table and remain standing. I'll need you to swear before we begin the interview. Can you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Please put your hand down and have a seat.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Do you know what taking an oath means?
It's a public promise that I must do truthfully.
I'll be reviewing your N-400 application today, and we'll also go through the other parts of the interview. Please answer all questions truthfully and clearly. If you don't understand a question, let me know and I'll repeat it.
Okay, thank you.
Can I see your appointment notice and photo ID?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you, Mr. Silva. Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since submitting your application. Okay.
Okay.
Let's start with some questions about you. Could you please elaborate on the process you followed to obtain your permanent residency?
My brother sponsored me.
Okay. What is your current address?
456 Elm Street, Denver, Colorado 80203.
Have you lived anywhere else in the U.S. in the last 5 years?
Yes, in Austin, Texas, from 2019 to 2022.
What is your full legal name?
Marco Antonio Silva.
Please spell your last name.
It's SILV.
Have you ever used any other names?
No.
What is your date of birth?
January 12, 1990.
What is your place of birth?
Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
Mr. Silva, I need to ask some questions about your moral character and legal history.
Okay.
These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No, never.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No, I have never been a prostitute, and I have never procured anyone.
Have you ever helped someone enter the U.S. illegally?
No, I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs like selling, smuggling, or using?
No, officer.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer?
Yes, there was an incident in 2018. I was detained briefly by ICE during a routine check while traveling for work.
Can you explain exactly what happened?
I was on a business trip in Miami. ICE stopped me because there was a discrepancy with a form I had submitted before. I cooperated fully, provided all requested documentation, and it was quickly verified. I was released the same day without charges.
Did you receive any official documentation from ICE about this incident?
Yes, I received a notice of release and a letter confirming that the matter was resolved.
Do you have that notice's copies with you right now?
Yes, I have brought copies of these documents.
May I see them, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. It appears everything was handled correctly.
Yes.
Did this incident affect your employment or travel?
No, I informed my employer immediately, and they supported me. I had to reschedule one meeting, but it didn't affect my job.
Were there any follow-ups or additional checks required by ICE after that day?
No, once they verified my documents, the matter was closed.
Did you have legal representation at that time?
No, it was resolved quickly, so I didn't need a lawyer.
Have you ever had any other interactions with immigration authorities besides this one?
No, this was the only time.
Did you register with the Selective Service if required?
Yes, I registered in 2020.
Have you ever been involved in any fraud, scams, or financial misconduct?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime that resulted in jail or prison time?
No, never.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No.
Have you ever been involved with illegal drugs like selling or smuggling?
No, I have never sold or smuggled illegal drugs.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No, officer.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No, never.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to pay child support or been sued over financial obligations?
No. I have always met my responsibilities.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No, I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever had your driving license suspended or revoked?
No, my license is always valid.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in a civil lawsuit?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in fraud such as tax fraud, credit card fraud, or identity theft?
No.
Are you married?
Yes.
What is spouse's legal status now?
She is a permanent resident.
Could you please inform me of the number of times you have been married?
I have been married only once.
What's your spouse's name?
Her name is Maria Silva.
What is your spouse's country of origin?
She is from Brazil.
Could you please provide me with a copy of your marriage certificate?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. How many times has your spouse been married?
She has been married for once.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
Where do your children live?
Both live with me and my wife.
What are their names and dates of birth?
My son Lucas Silva, born on March 5, 2015, and my daughter Sofia Silva, born on August 8, 2017.
Are they biological children with your spouse?
Yes, they are.
Can I see your children's birth certificate, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Let's talk about your employment and travel history. Have you ever been unemployed for more than 6 months?
Yes, during COVID-19, from January to July 2020.
What you did during your unemployment period?
I used that time to take online courses and improve my skills.
Okay. Where do you currently work?
I work at Technova Solutions in Denver.
What is your position?
I work as a software engineer.
Let's talk your travel outside the United States. Did you visit abroad since you became a permanent resident?
Yes, I visited twice.
Where were those visits?
Both were to Brazil.
Can you please mention the time?
I visited Brazil in 2021 and again in 2023.
How long did you stay on those trips?
I stayed each time for 2 weeks.
Did you file taxes for all these years?
Yes, all taxes were filed correctly.
Did you ever have difficulty paying bills or managing debts during that period?
No, I planned ahead and managed my finances carefully.
During your trips to Brazil, did you maintain your U.S. tax obligations and report all foreign income, if any?
Yes, all income was reported correctly.
All right, we'll now move on to the Civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me, and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer.
Please listen carefully to each question. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens?
Serve on a jury.
Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states?
Provide schooling and education.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
The House of Representatives has how many voting members?
435.
The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers.
James Madison.
What major event happened on September 11, 2001, in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
How many amendments does Constitution have?
27.
There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
What is the rule of law?
Everyone must follow the law.
Great. You have passed the Civics test. Now I'm going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So everything you say must be true. Do you understand? If you don't understand a question, please let me know and I'll explain that. Okay.
Okay.
Have you ever done sabotage?
No.
What is sabotage?
Destroy or damage on purpose.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, officer.
What is explosive?
Bomb or weapon that explodes.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No, officer.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No, I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No, never.
What is overthrow government?
Remove government by force.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No, never.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No.
What is alimony?
Money paid to ex-spouse after divorce.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No, officer.
What is registered to vote?
Signed up to vote.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No.
What is file tax return?
Send tax form to the government.
What is non-resident?
Not living as a U.S. resident.
Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place?
No, officer.
What is detention facility?
Place where people are held like jail, camp.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, officer.
What is claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
Said, you are a U.S. citizen.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No, never.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, I have never served in the military or police of another country.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
What is convicted?
Found guilty in court.
Have you ever committed assault?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever killed or tried to kill anyone?
No.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
What is national origin?
Country where a person is from.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No, officer.
What are deportation proceedings?
Court process to remove someone.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No, I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
What is commit a crime?
Do something illegal.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
What is civilian direction?
Controlled by non-military.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, officer.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes.
What is bear arms?
Carry and use weapons.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer.
What are non-combatant services?
Military help without fighting.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do? Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer.
Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Who was Abraham Lincoln?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. Lincoln was the president during the Civil War. Excellent! You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any questions for me at this point?
No, I'm good.
Do you understand that honesty, obeying U.S. laws, and paying taxes are part of being a good U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand completely.
Do you fully support the U.S. Constitution and the form of government established by it?
Yes.
Congratulations, Mr. Silva. You have successfully completed the N-400 interview, including the civics, reading, and writing tests.
Thank you very much.
You will receive a notice in the mail with the date of your naturalization ceremony. Please continue following U.S. laws and keep your address updated with USCIS.
I will. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Have a great day.